Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. Italy's traditional lemon knot cookies, which represents two individuals tying the knot, so they were highly common during weddings. These cookies are less sweet, more lemony flavor and super moist texture. So let's see how to do it. Add 1 room temperature egg into a bowl and whisk it. Into that add in some powdered sugar and blend it together. Add some vegetable oil, or you can use any flavorless oil. Now add some lemon zest. Then half lemon juice. Combine everything really well. Into this mix, add all-purpose flour and baking powder. Mix it. Add few drops of vanilla essence and combine it using a spatula. Once everything comes together like a dough, refrigerate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the dough will have a perfect texture which will be easy to work with. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it like this. When the dough reaches around 7 inch long, just twist it and make a knot shape like this. Now place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake it at 180-degree preheated oven for 15 to 18 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make a lemon glaze. So in some powdered sugar, add some lemon juice. Mix it. And when it reaches this ribbon consistency, the glaze is ready. Our cookies have baked beautifully. Allow it to cool down completely. And then dip each cookies in the lemon glaze and place it on a wire rack. Add some lemon zest on top. Allow it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes and the cookies are ready to serve. The soft texture with the lemon taste, it's just amazing. So definitely try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.